How to get internet browser on Roku device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get internet browser on your Roku device. So let's get started. First, what you'll want to do is open up your Roku and use a third-party web browser. After you do that, navigate to Roku Channel Store, and from your Roku device's home screen, scroll down and select Streaming Channels to open Roku's Channel Store. After you're there, search for web browsers. In the Channel Store, use the search function to look for web browsers. Now, some third-party browsers available in the past included Web Browser X by Cognital Mobile. Just find one, and after you find one, install the web browser. Tap on select it to view the details and then choose add channel or install to download it. After you do that, you can simply launch the web browser, and after the installation you can go back to the home screen and you can find the web browser app there, and you can simply open it from there and start browsing the internet. So it's that simple guys, and that is basically it for this video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye, take care.